Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Rajeshwari Shetty, and I am presently serving as head dietitian at SL Raheja Hospital, Mahi. Today, I am here to give you a small insight into nutrition relating to the heart. Being a health professional, I have seen that over the number of years, the number of Indians suffering from heart disease has gradually increased. Also, it was earlier seen that people in their 50s or 60s suffered from heart ailments. But now it is seen that more and more younger people are having heart related problems. Now, what could be the reason for this? First is stress, both in professional as well as personal life. Second is the sedentary lifestyle. There is no time at all to exercise. Thirdly, change in dietary habits. Working professionals have to meet a number of deadlines at work, so they have no time to eat. Hence, they resort to eating prepackaged food items or takeaways like vada pav, samosa, or Chinese, which is very unhealthy. Also, there are a number of nutrition related myths concerning the heart. One of them is that if you have heart disease, you should include very little fat in your diet. It is true that a diet low in saturated fat and trans fat is beneficial, but that does not mean that you should have boiled food all the time. A minimum of about half kg cooking oil per person per month is needed. Secondly, the healthy fats, highly unsaturated fats which are present in cooking oils which is being used daily, and the omega-3 fatty acids which are present in walnuts, flax seeds and fatty fish like salmon are also beneficial, so they should be included in the daily diet. One of the second myths is that eggs are bad for the heart. This confusion has taken place because egg yolks contain cholesterol. The eggs are high in cholesterol and also a major source of dietary cholesterol. But the main worrying factor over here, or the main culprit, is the saturated fatty acids, as they lead to a rise in blood cholesterol and cause a risk in heart disease. Eggs do also have their plus points, like they have a number of healthy nutrients like choline, which is linked to memory, good memory, and nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are necessary for protection against vision loss. Secondly, one egg gives about 7 grams of protein and some amount of healthy unsaturated fat. So, having an egg a day is not going to increase the risk of heart disease. One of the third myths is that if one has a cholesterol lowering drug, one can eat almost anything. But this is not true. The cholesterol in the bloodstream comes from two sources, one from the liver and secondly from dietary sources. By having the drug, it will surely reduce the cholesterol coming from the liver. But at the same time, if one is having food items like saturated food items and this fried items, then it makes the drug ineffective and also the cholesterol is not decreased. So what is the solution then? Nutrition wise, one can incorporate small changes in the diet, include number of whole grain cereals, like instead of bread butter, one can have jowar, bajra, oats and nachni. Include more pulses and legumes, have sprout charts, then include this healthy, use about half kg of oil per person per month. Instead of snacking, one can go in for this roasted chana, or one can incorporate the various types of seeds like roasted flax seeds or the pumpkin seeds or the melon seeds. So, in a nutshell, I would like to say that instead of going for special heart-friendly food items, one can have the well-balanced diet, and by including all the food groups and cutting down on the sugars and fats. If you have any more queries related to diet, I will be happy to reply to them. Thank you.